everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and I am here going to do some work on my RV. Now I'm getting ready to get it back out on the road, and I have a little trouble with my front right tire. I'm gonna get that fixed, and I'm gonna have the air checked out in the other tires to make sure I'm ship shape for getting on the road. When I hung out with Mike and Jenny from Do It Justice fame, hi guys, about a year or so ago with my other rig, we checked my air pressure before I even left hanging out with them, and it made a huge difference with the drive. With this rig, I haven't done a good job of doing that, so I got to make sure that I am always checking the air pressure, because not only does it make for a smoother ride, it certainly makes it a lot safer to drive. So the right front tire had to be replaced. It's pretty thrashed. Here, take a look at it. You know, I'm getting ready to go on a big trip. I wanted to make sure the tires are good. All of the other tires seem good, so it's a little concerning that just the right one, right front, seems a little down and odd, and as you can see, it was really just bad. So dropping some bucks before the trip, which I hate to do, but better safe than sorry. I took my RV to GCR Tires, and I have to tell you, they did a pretty good job, got me in and out fairly quickly. You know, if I ever had to get more tires, I'd probably come back to these guys. They were pretty good. They're going to check all of the other air to make sure the RV is good. And just one more thing to get out of the way before the big trip. Yay! It's a good thing I had my tires checked, because the outside tires were really kind of low. Even though the tread looks good and everything looks good. And then I decided to have the inside tires checked out too, and you know, it's all for peace of mind. Just want to be safe as I get ready to get out on the road. But man, what started out as a quick one tire fix has turned into a little bit more. But I got to tell you, these guys here are doing an excellent job. I totally would recommend them. Man, I can't tell you what a difference it makes driving this bad boy with a new tire and you know, more stuff. They just did a great job. I cannot wait to get this bad boy out on the road. Woo! So I know this was a short video, but thanks for watching. I got a big trip coming up, and a couple other things up my sleeves. So make sure you keep watching. You can find me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Hey, make sure you get out there in RV, and when you do, have some fun.